Okay, as with most trees that I cut down over the years, I've always been interested in knowing the age of the trees. That helps me identify what the area looked like many years ago. This is an ash tree, and an ash tree is a diffuse porous, meaning that sometimes it's hard to count the rings because the growth rings are mostly the same color. It's hard to differentiate the early wood from the late wood. So we'll start from the outside and count in, and I've counted. This tree is approximately 21 years old, judging by the rings. Let's see what's going on with the health of it. 1, 2, 3. Something happened about 3 to 4 years ago that caused this tree to go into decline. So before that, we got some really healthy growth rings. They're really wide. So that's telling me that this tree was a happy, healthy tree up until about 4 years ago. So that would incline me to go back and investigate and see what the type of weather we had that year. Was it a droughty year? It could have been a drought. Let's say, for example, it was. So this tree struggled after that drought and then had to use its stored energy to survive that 1 year. And then after that, I'm assuming that it just could not build up the energy to sustain its own self and eventually succumb to lack of energy.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.